Bentham and Hooker's classification of plants. George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker, two English taxonomists who were closely associated with the Royal Botanical Garden at Kew, England, have given a detailed classification of plant kingdom, particularly the angiosperms. They gave an outstanding system of classification of phanerogams in their genera Plantarum, which was published in 3 volumes between the years 1862 to 1883. It is a natural system of classification. However, it does not show the evolutionary relationship between different groups of plants, in the strict sense. Nevertheless, it is the most popular system of classification, particularly for angiosperms. The popularity comes from the fact that very clear key characters have been listed for each of the families. These key characters enable the students of taxonomy to easily identify and assign any angiosperm plant to its family. Bentham and Hooker have grouped advanced, seed-bearing plants into a major division called phanerogamia. This division has been divided into 3 classes, namely, 1. Dicotyledonate, 2. Gymnospermae, and 3. Monocotyledonate. 1. Class Dicotyledonatous group includes angiosperms in which the seed bears 2 cotyledons and leaves exhibit reticulate venation. It is divided into 3 subclasses: Polypetalae, Gamopetalae, and Metaclamidae. Subclass Polypetalid flowers contain distinct non-essential whorls, calyx, and corolla. In the corolla, petals are free. The subclass includes 8 series: Thalamiflorae, Deciflorae, and Calyciflorae. Series Thalamiflorae, many stamens in the androecium. Flower is hypogynous. Series Deciflorae, hypogynous flowers with a cushion-like disc around or below the ovary. Series Calyciflorae, flowers epigynous or perigynous. Thalamus is in the form of a cup. Subclass Gamopetalae, flowers with distinct calyx and corolla. In the corolla, petals are fused. The subclass includes 3 series. Series Inferae, flowers with inferior ovary. Series Heteromerae, flowers with superior ovary. Number of carpels more than 2. Series Bicarpellatae, flowers with superior ovary. Number of carpels 2. Subclass Monoclamidae, flowers are with only 1 non-essential whorl, periant, or absence of non-essential whorls. It includes 8 series. Curvembryae, usually single ovule, embryo coiled around the endosperm. Multiovulate Aquaticae, aquatic plants with syncypous ovary and many ovules. Multiovulate Terrestris, terrestrial plants with syncypous ovary and many ovules. Microembryae, only 1 ovule, small, tiny embryo endospermic seed. Daphnes, only 1 carpel and single ovule. Achlamydosperae, ovary inferior, 1-3 ovules unilocular. Anisexuals, flower unisexual, periant usually absent. Audience anomaly, anomalous families, plants with uncertain systematic position but closer to anisexualis. Class Gymnospermaceous group includes the gymnosperms in which seeds are not enclosed in fruits. This class is divided into 3 families: Cneticeae, Conferecae, and Cycadaceae. Class Monocotyledonate, seeds contain only 1 cotyledon, leaves show parallel venation. Fibrous root system, flowers are trimerous, having 3 members in various floral whorls. Monocotyledonate has 7 series and 34 families. The family Musaceae is placed in the series Epigyno. Fibrous root system, it is divided into the following 7 series. Microspermae, ovary is inferior, seeds are minute and non-endospermic. Epigyno, ovary inferior, seeds are large and endospermic. Coronariae, ovary superior, periant petaloid. Calycinae, ovary superior, periant sepaloid. Nudiflorae, periant reduced or absent. Seeds are endospermic. Apocarpae, carpels more than 1, free, seeds are endospermic. Glumaceae, periant reduced or absent, scaly bracts present. Each of the series mentioned under Dicotyledonate and Monocotyledonate have been further divided into orders and families. Bentham and Hooker classified the angiosperms into 202 families. They were able to provide distinct diagnostic key characters to each of these families. This is the reason for the popularity of Bentham and Hooker's classification, particularly amongst the taxonomists.